Hey guys, good afternoon, and guess what? We're here at Walmart Westbrook and we saw this like team transport wherein you can use it as a case as well, but we didn't pick it up because it's a little bit expensive than what we saw yesterday. So we're gonna go here at the main lines and see or check if we can find something interesting that we can add up to our collection. And as you can see, I think we're already late at the party because all I can see are this stuff. I'm not sure, but this is not for me, guys, but still I'm still hoping that we can still find even one, two, or maybe couple of Hot Wheels that we can add to our collection. And yes, I'm gonna show you all the kind of die-cast cars that is available here at Walmart. I don't think we have a chance here at the Hot Wheels main lines, so we'll check some of the Matchbox as well. But first, we're gonna go here at Hot Wheels packs we're in. I don't know if we can grab something from this too. Oh, this one is the Hot Wheels Flames, which is like lots of people are interested onto this one, but this is not my cup of tea. So yeah, I'll just gonna leave it here. So someone wanted to pick it up and you're from Calgary, go to Westbrook Walmart. They do have bunch of this Hot Wheels packs as well. As for their car culture, I think they haven't restocked any of this stuff. This has been sitting here for a month now. If somebody wants this one, please pick them up so they can like probably restock new exotic envy or probably car culture. They got Nissan here as well if somebody's looking for that one. And then we're gonna check this Matchbox collection as well. And yeah, I scanned all through this one and we haven't seen anything. So we're gonna go down to Fast and the Furious set. But apparently we haven't seen things that interest us. And we're gonna go here to this 143 scale. So they got that Mercedes AMG, and then they do have this 23 Corvette as well. And then they do have this Mercedes-Benz 300. If you are interested to this one, yeah, you can pick it up here. I think I see something that I can pick up from this store already. I saw a Fast and the Furious set which is like 124 ratio. I think I'm gonna grab the Mazda RX-7 on that one. So here we go. Yeah, I already put it aside and I'll just gonna show you the rest of this Fast and the Furious set. We have this custom Peterbilt. We have this Hans Mazda RX-7. We already picked up the Dominic Toretto Mazda from this set, and then I'm gonna show you this Jada set as well from Fast and the Furious. So yeah guys, I think this is all for me from today. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. See ya.